Uganda's political para, Anita versus Rebecca Kadaga. What? Prophecies and prayers. Uganda's ruling party, the NRM, turned Kololo history into a political theater. A mix of prophecy, poetry, prayer, and plain old shillings. First came Dr. Dr. Dongoto, over the Acholi oracle declaring, Iteso, Lang, and Acholi are all for Anita. Just wait and see tomorrow. There's no choice between the two. It is a selection. Translation: democracy has taken leave. Prophecy is in charge. Then came Stella Nyanzi, storming in with a prayer hotter than Kololo asphalt. Oh God, please rescue your servant, Auntie Becky. Amen. The nation chuckled. Uganda's politics needs both prophets and prayer warriors. But wisdom, like the Malwa, came from Honorable Frank Mwesige. Kadaga, you are a stateswoman, but life after politics is sweet. Please don't run in 2026. Retire in Kamuli, drink tea, write memories, let the youth sweat for votes. It was part of eulogy, part advice, part warning, but wrapped in respect. Meanwhile, the NRM Youth League mocked opposition parties' budget conference. UPC on Zoom, DP in hotel, PFF in a bar, and in a restaurant, NOP in a club. But ours has been for 5 days. NRM, the party of stamina. Mike Mkola, master of survival, quietly withdrew from the CEC race, proving once again he can smell political thunder before lightning strikes. But the drama thickened with Kadaga's accusation. There was distribution of shillings 300,000 to delegates to influence the outcome.
For the first time, we have seen distribution of iPads to entice leaders and influence them. We have seen distribution of cell phones for the same reasons. Distribution of money for the same reason. No small money of 20,000, but in millions. And this, Your Excellency and International Chair, is something that's ruining our party. We have built this party over time, but there's a real risk that it's going to be overtaken by people who do not deserve to be in leadership. So we need to check the issue of... There was more distribution of resources. 300,000 shillings to each delegate. At Navisunsa, at Nakawa, at Kisasi, and many other places. Again, to influence the outcome of these elections.
Uganda's politics, always lubricated, never dry. Early results, a landslide with exceptions. Bukedia, Anita 91, Kadaga 0, a political whitewash. In Amuria district, among 73, Kadaga 0, another funeral. Kabayarmaidu, among 63, Kadaga 0, is a silence louder than drums. In Serere, among 67, Kadaga 0, the prophecy stands. Kalaki, among 58, Kadaga 0, no mercy. In Kumi, among 131, Kadaga 0, is a slaughterhouse politics. In Zoroti, among 63, Kadaga 0, Evans sealed. Those are just updates which we got earlier. But the wind shifted in Uganda. Among 58, Kadaga 39. Namayango among 67, Kadaga 3, and the home of Luka where Kadaga stood tall, 52 against Amon's 8. In Kamuli, Kadaga's fortress, she roared back 119 to 16, the lioness refusing to die quietly. Even so, Katakwi crowned among with 91 to 1. Kadaga's lone voter will need counseling. The moral of the story, Dr. Dongoto's prophecy danced close to reality. Stella Nyanzi prayed, but the heavens were silent. Frank messaging preached retirement with dignity. Mukula proved silence is golden. The NRM Youth League bragged like a wedding committee. And Kadaga, she fought gallantly but faced an NRM tired of her, an opposition that never forgave her for age limit removal, and a ruling class head over heels in love with Anita Among. Uganda's politics is not class, it's poetry in motion, comedy in action, and prophecy fulfilled. No final verdict. Anita Among is not just the only one they love, he's the one they selected.
Security, take care of the line behind. Are we ready? The agent for Kadaga is not a voter. Therefore, don't vote here. We vote in the light of Anita Among and Cousin Anita Among. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67.